CA Foundation Business Economics and BCK 1.5 Days Revision Strategy. After your maths paper, you have 45 hours before paper 4 Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge. Out of this, 4 hours are for traveling, 2 hours each on 28th July and 30th July, and 12 hours are for sleep in 2 nights. Leaving 4 hours for other activities, you must study for at least 25 hours. Your schedule from 28th July 7 pm to 30th July 12 pm will be as follows. On 28th July from 7 pm to 9 pm, revise the concepts of theory of demand and supply from short notes and important MCQs. From 9 pm to 9:30 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9:30 pm to 10 pm, go through nature and scope of business economics from short notes and marked MCQs. From 10 pm to 12 am, revise meaning and types of markets from short notes and MCQs. From 12 am to 6 am, sleep well. On 29 July, wake up at 6 am and revise theory of production and cost and business cycles from short notes and some important MCQs till 8 am. At 8 am, get ready and have breakfast. From 8:30 am to 10:30 am, cover BCK, an introduction and business environment from short notes and marked important MCQs. From 10:30 am to 12:30 pm, revise government policies for business growth, organizations facilitating business and common business terminologies from short notes and MCQs. From 12:30 pm to 1:30 pm, have lunch and take some rest. From 1:30 pm to 5 pm, quickly revise business organizations from short notes and do its important MCQs. Learn as much as you can in this time period only. Don't waste much time in cramming it. From 5 pm to 5:30 pm, drink milk and take a small walk. From 5:30 pm to 8:30 pm, practice some more MCQs from past year papers, previous MTPs and RTPs to make your concepts clear and to get a variety of questions to solve. From 8:30 pm to 9 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9 pm to 11 pm, go through the latest RTP. From 11 pm to 1 am, go through the latest MTP. From 1 am to 7 am, sleep well. On 30th July, wake up at 7 am and get ready and have breakfast till 8 am. From 8 am to 12 pm, revise all the concepts quickly from short notes or summary at the end of each chapter. Do it now, sometimes later becomes never. All the best.